Okay, so I just milled out the circuit board design for a fan control board for my reflow oven. I don't want to move the Z-stepper up right now because I have to send the next G-code to it to drill out all the holes. So this is phase one is to etch out all the traces. And as you can tell, it's got, I'm just using isolation, so it isolates all the traces from the rest of the copper, leaving all the unused copper areas there, but they're isolated. So that'll be fine. So I'm going to go ahead and run the batch to drill out all the holes for the pads, and then I'll be back. Over and out. Okay, so now the drill job is done. You can see a little bit of the fiberglass in the holes, but you can see that they've all been drilled perfectly onto the pads. Hopefully you can see that. I'm going to take it out and we'll have another look after it's cut. Okay, so here's the finished board cut out. Drill holes drilled and, just cleaned up. Just blew out all the holes and rinsed off all the milling dust. Now you can see all the holes are nice and clean. Clean. Just took a little bit of sandpaper across the copper traces. Shined it up a little, ready for solder. Ready for the parts to go in. Okay, so now I've soldered in the relay and the relay drive transistor to the board, so as you can see, came out rather nicely. And there's the top view of the relay and the drive transistor there. All the other ones are just going to be wires. So you have basically a power supply for the fan on this side, the output to the fan on this side, these two leads. So this is just a wire to one, well, a set of wires to one fan or two fans in parallel. And this is the separate 12-volt power supply for the fans. Then over here you have 5 volts from the Wemos module, ground. So everything's commonly grounded there. And then the I/O line that drives this transistor that turns on this relay to kick on the fans for my reflow oven. So there you go. Fan control, simple fan control board.